One tip for impromptu speaking is trust your first idea. Yes, sometimes what happens is, suddenly when you get a chance to speak and you start thinking, right? So the first idea which comes to your mind, and then you are confused because there's a little voice on your back saying that, should I go with this first idea or should I? So, you move into that transition phase of thinking and speaking simultaneously. Never do that. Trust your first idea, stick to that, commit to that, start with the first idea. After a few minutes, maybe talking for 5 to 10 minutes, then you can transition to the second idea. Okay, for example, suppose there's a debate topic like, okay, should children be given pocket money? Children meaning age of like maybe 11, 12 years. So if you want to say yes, if you're confused between whether should I go for a yes or should I go for a no, right now the first idea which came from you was yes, so start with yes. Okay, after speaking for 5 minutes about yes, the children should learn numeracy skills, they should learn how to count. To teach them natural skills, giving them pocket money is very important. You can start with that. After 5 minutes you can go to the cons as well, right? So hope you enjoyed it and stay tuned for the next video.